Top 5 apps like Recovertikcom TikTok that actually work today. If you've ever lost access to your TikTok account, you won't believe what happens next. Most people get this wrong, thinking there is no way to recover their profile, but several apps actually help you regain access quickly and safely. First up is TikTok itself. Most people forget that the official app allows you to recover accounts through email, phone number, or social media login. Their step-by-step recovery flow often works faster than any third-party tool. Second is LastPass. While primarily a password manager, LastPass securely stores credentials and can autofill login information to help regain access. It's a simple solution if you struggle with remembering passwords. Number 3 is Authy. Authy can store two-factor authentication codes, so if your account was locked due to FA, you can quickly regain access without losing your profile. Fourth is Dashlane. Dashlane saves and autofills your account credentials and alerts you if there's suspicious activity. This makes recovering TikTok accounts safer and more reliable. Finally, Keeper. Keeper is another password management app with secure storage and recovery features. Many users rely on it to regain access to lost social media accounts safely. In conclusion, while Recovertikcom promises TikTok recovery, these 5 apps provide safer, verified, and effective alternatives. By combining official recovery options with secure password management and the apps, you can get back into your account quickly without risking your data.